The coloured cheat sheets that we are also provided with help me cut down on revision time, as I do not have to flip through all my notes for a particular topic. And it also has helped me memorize concepts that has to be memorized. For example, the qualitative analysis table or the coloured cheat sheets really help with my revision. I'm Rica from Crescent Girls' School. Before joining Achiever's Dream, I received an E8 for my chemistry grades in the secondary 3 EOY examinations. In the recent mid-year exam, I managed to achieve an A1 for chemistry. One thing I like about Achiever's Dream is that the CAPS courses are able to cater to each student's individual needs and help us foster a better and deeper understanding of the concepts so that we are better able to apply them. The teachers also teach us in link topics together instead of going through the topics in a linear format, so that we are better to link concepts together and have a better understanding of chemistry as a whole. With this deeper understanding, this has given me a confidence boost in chemistry, and with this confidence boost, I am more willing to put in effort for the subject and have seen a drastic improvement in my grades.